I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. So many bitter tears are raining down on me. But far away from home, I've been facing this alone for much too long. Oh, I feel like no one ever told the truth to me. But growing up and what a struggle it would be. In my tangled state of mind, I've been looking